Welcome to Auto. Today I will show you how to unlock your HP laptop keyboard on Windows 11 if it's locked.
Fix 1. Unlock with right shift key. Step 1. Press and hold the right shift key for about 8 seconds. Step 2. Listen for a beep or check if typing now works. Fix 2. Turn off filter keys. Accessibility feature. Step 1. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Keyboard. Step 2. Make sure filter keys is turned off. Step 3. Test your keyboard again. Restart computer. Step 1. Save any work and restart your laptop. Step 2. After reboot, test the keyboard again. Fix 4. Clean, diagnose, and test. Step 1. Make sure your keyboard is physically clean. Use compressed air to remove debris. Step 2. Run the Windows Keyboard Troubleshooter. Settings, System, Troubleshoot. Step 3. Connect an external keyboard. If that works, the issue may be hardware related.